This is the city center of Almaty, Kazakhstan. This place is highly safe and secure for girl student. You will find lot of bus or public transport here. If you want a complete life like European countries, then you can surely visit this place. Population here is highly female dominated. Hi everyone, welcome back to EOCL India. As we had promised you, we are going to give you a full city tour of Almaty, Kazakhstan. So I am Hanumant here with you all guys, going to give you the full city tour of Almaty. So as you can see behind me, this is the city center of Almaty, Kazakhstan. And this is highly famous among the Indian students or Indian community present in Kazakhstan. Lot of Indian students who come here for their ambitious study like and love this place a lot, because this place is full of great vibe, plus this place is highly safe and secure. So as you can see behind me, there are a lot of Indian peoples and you will find a good Indian community present here. If I talk about the shops here, so you will find all types of shops here. Like our Indian students visit this place a lot because they get all the things which they are needed in their daily life or during their MBBS education. Like you will get all type of shops like daily groceries or clothes or like Indian sweet shops or jewelry or any kind of stuff, you name it and you will get it here. Plus at the same time, this place is highly safe and secure for girl student. If you want to compare this with some Indian cities, then you can compare it with Mumbai or like Bangalore or like Delhi. So this place carry a huge vibe and Indian people generally love here. As you can see the lighting present here. So this place carry lot of positive vibe. If you can see in my right, there is a food court here and like you will get good spicy food here, and this place is also visited by lots of Indians because you get somewhat similar Indian taste here. If you will see in my left, this is a coffee shop or you will get different type of breakfast here. Students generally visit this place during their breaks to have quick brunch or having breakfast. If you will see in my right, these are other kind of shops or stays where students visit for different purpose. This side, if you will go to my right, this is a grocery shop and here you will get all type of stuff like if you want stationery or you want basic food or groceries item, you will easily find it here. Come, we will see other kind of stuff. This is another restaurant present here, and as you can see, snowfall is going on. So the weather here is quite awesome, and if you want a complete life like European countries and also enjoy while you are studying, or you want to develop your personality with your studies, then you can surely visit this place because you will get a great lifestyle here. At the same time, you will also get a great exposure like you are living in a European country. Plus, you will enjoy your studies. At the same time, you will spend your 6 years of study with so much of comfort and ease that you can't compare with other countries. At the same side, you will get a great and quality education here, and as you can see here, the city is full of people, and like if you will see in the background, you will find lot of girls here. So like this place is highly safe and secure for girls. Like the population here is highly female dominated, so you will find females everywhere, like in the shops or in the grocery shops or in the government jobs. One more thing, like many students think that if they are going to foreign, so they will struggle with language. But if you will see in my background, you will find that every shop has their names in English as well as in Kazakhi. Means they are highly comfortable with English as a language and they promote English as well as European style. So don't worry about language. Language will not be a problem for you all guys, and you can easily stay here learning English or talking in English, because people here understand English and they are highly comfortable in communicating in English. If you will see behind me, this is the bus stop, and there are lots of bus stand on every stop. So you will find lot of bus or public transport here. So if you want to go anywhere, you will easily find bus or public transport, and by that mean of transport you can carry your journey. So this was basically a small city tour, and I will show you some more stuff regarding Kazakhstan, regarding Almaty. So stay connected with us, and for more videos like this, like, subscribe and share EOCL India.